Today, we're diving into 3 of the best wedding invitation maker apps available on Android. Let's get started and find the perfect tool for your big day. Invitation Design Maker. This app provides a user-friendly interface that's perfect for anyone looking to create personalized wedding invitations with ease. It offers a wide variety of templates, fonts, and design elements that can be customized to suit individual preferences. Users can easily drag and drop images, adjust colors, and add text to make their invitations truly unique. Additionally, the app features photo editing tools that allow couples to incorporate their pictures, making the invitations more personal. Once designed, users can share their creations digitally via social media or email, ensuring that their loved ones receive their invites in a convenient format. Invitation Card Maker. This versatile app is designed for creating a broad range of invitation cards, including beautiful wedding invites. With numerous templates available, users can easily select designs that resonate with their wedding theme. The app allows for extensive customization, letting users pick colors, fonts, and graphics that align with their vision. One standout feature is the ability to add personal photos and heartfelt messages, which enhances the emotional appeal of the invitations. Furthermore, users can save their designs to their device or share them through social media and email, making it simple to reach out to guests. Wedding Card Invite Maker. Specifically tailored for wedding invitations, this app boasts a rich library of templates and design options that cater to various wedding styles and themes. Users can create stunning invitations by selecting from a wide array of backgrounds, decorative elements, and text styles, ensuring that every detail reflects their personality and preferences. The intuitive design tools make it easy to experiment with different layouts and designs. Additionally, the app supports easy sharing and printing options, allowing couples to send out their invitations in a format that suits their needs, whether digitally or physically. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the top wedding invitation maker apps has inspired you to create stunning invitations for your special day. Happy planning, and see you next time.